You can connect your LRK series Micro PLC to an LRH series HMI to supervise your processes. Connect the HMI, the LRK Micro PLC, and PC to the same network, and assign each of them an IP address in the same family. Open the LRH SWHMI programming software and create a new project with the wizard. In the Protocols section, press plus to add a new protocol and select Modbus TCP from the list, which is the protocol used for LRK Micro PLC communication. In the Alias field, assign a name of your choice to identify the Micro PLC, and in the IP address field, enter the IP address of the LRK connected, 192.168.0.10 in this example, then press OK. In the Tag section, you can configure which variables will be read or written by the Micro PLC, such as timers, coils, analog inputs, etc. Press plus to add a new tag. In the Memory Type field, select a register of the holding register's type, and in the Offset field, enter the Modbus address of the variable to be read, which you can find in the Micro PLC Modbus manual. To read analog input A01, for example, type in address 2833 and press OK. Now click on the Pages section and add a widget to the page, this one for example. Place the mouse pointer over the widget and right-click. Click Attach to in order to associate the widget with a tag. Select tag A01 from the list of tags created previously. Now you can write the project in the HMI by pressing Run and Download to target. Select the HMI IP address and press Download to write the program. The HMI will reboot and you're finished. When the value of the analog input is changed on the LRK Micro PLC, the value shown on the HMI display is also updated. To simplify the process, there is a free scenario for the LRH series HMI dedicated to communication with LRK Micro PLC on the lovadoelectric.com website. This scenario contains a pre-configured page for reading the main Micro PLC inputs and outputs.